Today was the latest court hearing since the LA Innocence Project picked up Scott Peterson's case in January.
Late today, the judge denied all new testing of evidence in this case besides one.
ABC 7 News I-Team reporter Dan Noyes was in San Mateo Superior Court and is here with the story. Dan.
Well, Dan, and on a major step, the judge approved DNA testing for a 15.5-inch piece of duct tape recovered from Lacey's pants during her autopsy. If third-party DNA is found there, that could be a very big step for Scott Peterson.
The director of the Los Angeles Innocence Project gave an hour and 20-minute rapid-fire argument that Scott Peterson deserves to have the deaths of his wife Lacey and their unborn son Connor in 2002 investigated further.
No murder weapon was found. No time or even date of death was established. No cause and manner of death were ever established. There were no eyewitnesses implicating Mr. Peterson. The evidence against him centered almost entirely on conjecture over possible motive.
Peterson, now 51 years old, watched from Mule Creek State Prison where he's serving life without the possibility of parole. His lawyers say favorable DNA evidence would change the outcome of the trial, and they called for new DNA testing for a target bag wrapped in duct tape found near the spot where Lacey and Connor's bodies were found. And they want new DNA testing of a bloodstain on a mattress from a van set on fire in Modesto 2 days after Lacey disappeared. No evidence connecting that case to Peterson at this point.
The bottom line is that mattress really needs to be tested. Just thoroughly, completely tested. Is there anything on it or not? We don't know.
A special prosecutor from Stanislaus County who worked the first Scott Peterson case said DNA testing done on that mattress in 2013 found only male blood. He said the murder case has been adjudicated fully.
We're not just talking about the first motion. We're not even talking about the stipulation. We're talking about this is the third bite at the apple that the defendant is asking this court to address.
Harris focused the hearing back on Peterson and his litany of lies he told new girlfriend Amber Fry in the weeks before his pregnant wife disappeared.
The defense has never explained how Mr. Peterson was able to tell people that this would be his first holiday, back in Christmas, his first holiday without his wife.
Harris also said the defense never explained why Peterson was researching tide charts for San Francisco Bay, and then weeks later, Lacey and Connor's bodies were found in that same location.
Repeated lie after lie after lie after lie of this defendant during the investigation of all of these different things that dealt with the disappearance of his wife and unborn son.
The judge denied new DNA testing for everything else, including twine found on Connor's neck. He had no injuries anywhere on his body. By the way, they are back in court on July 15th for a hearing on discovery. So this will keep on going on.
And you'll be back in court as well.
That's
on
right.
that day.